Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make business flyer in Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Canva, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, as you can see right here on Canva, you can create a bunch of different variety of content such as for example, presentation, reports, videos, IG reels, yeah, etc. All of the this platform, as you know, is a multimedia content creation platform. So yes, you can also create your business flyer right here. So what you're going to do is to go to their website, log in with your account, and right here you will be redirected to the dashboard. And after you go to the dashboard, you can just search for a template. So this is a template search bar. So you just need to, put business flyer or type business flyer so that the Canva will show you different kinds of pre-made templates for a business flyer. So as you can see right here, if I click it, as you can see, there's a bunch of business flyer templates that you can customize yourself. So you just need to choose whatever it's whatever templates that suits you, and it's up to you. You just need to customize it furthermore so that you can make it uh yourself. You can make it unique. So for example, I'm going to choose this plier right here. So as you can see, if you click on it, these options will appear. You can choose what type of paper you want, whether it is a A5 or A4 types paper size. And also you can choose the paper type, whether you're using standard paper, premium paper, deluxe paper, and also the paper finish. You can also, you can modify all of this information right here. And if you're done with that, you can just click customize this template so that you'll be redirected to the editing page. So yeah, as you can see right here, this is the templates, and it's I just need to edit this. For example, I'm just going to change it to my company. So let's say my company right here. So let's just say I'm my company is about how do you call this, electronics. Okay, electronics campaign. So yes, you can see I can just edit this whatever I want. I can change also the color. So this is actually elements already added to the templates. There's, as you can see, there's also a frame right here. You can edit this. You can change the picture of this. It's just easy. You just need to upload your pictures right here. You can just click uploads right here on the left side, upload your own picture, and replace this picture to that picture. So this is actually a frame, so you can just right click on it and detach the image so that the image inserted to this frame right here will be removed, and you can just select a picture of yourself and change it to that picture. So yes, that's it. So for example, I'm just going to put a random picture. Okay, let's just choose a random picture right here. So let's just say this one. So as you can see, it start uploading. The elements will start uploading. And right here, I can just drag this after it's done uploading. I can just, drag this one and put it right here. And yes, that's it. As you can see, I replaced the picture itself. So there's a bunch of other options that you can explore with. You can add text, you can add more elements. So elements, it could be in a form of frame, logo, shapes itself, pictures, etc., etc., videos. Yeah, you can add all of this, especially if you're having a pro subscription. If you have a premium Canva account. So it's much better if you purchase a premium account, since you would have an access to more more exclusive features provided by Canvas, and that includes the apps right here. So as you can see, if you click on apps, there's a bunch of tools that you can use. You can use AI configuration. You can create more background. You can add audio, and also this there's a image upscaler, mockups, etc., etc. All of these features will be unlocked if you purchase a premium account. So yeah, and yeah, that's it. So after you're done editing each of this information right here, so you just need to change it and make it a little unique, so that it's not completely a copycat of the template. So you just need to change a little bit to the template so to make it yourself. And after you're done, you can just click on this button right here on the top right corner, share and download, and that's it. Yeah, your business flyer file will be uploaded, and you just need to print it and you're done. Yeah, that's it. That's how easy it is, and that's how you can make a business flyer on Canva. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.